Hey Mom.
What is it, Dora?
Can I see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou?
No.
Why?
Because you are still grounded.
I want to see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou. I want to see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou. I want to see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou.
Dora, you are not going to see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou, and that's final. Now go back to your room right now.
It's not freaking fair. I want to see the fireworks with classic Caillou, but no, I'm still grounded. What should I do? I have an idea. I'm going to sneak out of my house and go see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou. Ha 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 ha. Hi Classic Caillou.
Hi Dora, you're just in time. The fireworks are about to begin.
Wow, what a beautiful fireworks.
I know, they are very awesome. Now let's keep watching them.
Dora, 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 get over here right now. Dora, how dare you go see the 4th of July fireworks with classic Caillou? You know that you can't go while you are supposed to be grounded. That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 691 weeks. Get your butt to your room right now.
Wow.
Classic Caillou, how dare you go to the 4th of July fireworks with Dora? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 691 weeks. Go to your room right now, and no more hanging out with Dora ever again.
Wow. Before this video ends, happy 4th of July everybody. Please subscribe for more videos so that way you can see more grounded videos out of Classic Caillou, Dora, Little Bill, Bob the Builder and more.